Hey everyone, and welcome to this exciting exploration of manifestation. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind turning your thoughts into tangible realities. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and create the life you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode on your journey to mastering manifestation. Ready to transform your life? Let's get started. Manifestation is simply the process of bringing your desires into reality through the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. It's about aligning your energy with the frequency of your desires, creating a magnetic pull that draws them into your life. Think of it like this: your thoughts are like radio waves, and your desires are specific radio stations. By tuning your thoughts to the frequency of your desires, you begin to receive the manifestation of those desires into your reality. Your subconscious mind is the powerhouse behind manifestation. It's the part of your mind that operates below the level of conscious awareness, constantly absorbing information and shaping your beliefs. The subconscious doesn't judge your thoughts or desires. It accepts them as instructions. So, if you constantly focus on negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, your subconscious will manifest those experiences. But here's the exciting part. If you consciously choose to focus on positive thoughts and empowering beliefs, your subconscious will work tirelessly to bring those desires into your reality. Now, let's talk about the mind-blowing science behind manifestation, quantum physics. Quantum physics reveals that the universe isn't made up of solid matter. It's made up of energy and vibration. Everything around us, including ourselves, is vibrating at a specific frequency. And guess what? Our thoughts and emotions have their own unique vibrations. When we focus our thoughts and emotions on a particular desire, we're essentially sending out vibrations into the quantum field, attracting experiences that match that frequency. Setting crystal clear intentions. The first step to powerful manifestation is setting crystal clear intentions. This means being specific about what you want to achieve and visualizing it with clarity and detail. Your intentions are the starting point of your manifestation journey, the compass that guides your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. They help you stay focused and aligned with your goals. To set clear intentions, take some time to reflect on what you truly desire in your life. This reflection is crucial as it helps you understand your true needs and aspirations. What are your deepest aspirations, your wildest dreams? Think about the areas of your life where you want to see the most change and growth. Once you've identified your desires, write them down in a clear and concise way, using positive and present tense language. This practice reinforces your intentions and makes them more tangible. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be financially abundant," you would say, "I am financially abundant," and attract wealth effortlessly. This shift in language helps to create a mindset of abundance and success. Visualization, painting your future reality. Visualization is a powerful technique that brings your desires to life in your mind's eye. It's about creating a vivid mental picture of yourself already experiencing the reality you want to manifest. Imagine yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, or achieving that ambitious goal. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualizations are, the more effectively you're imprinting those desires onto your subconscious mind. Gratitude, the magnet for miracles. Gratitude is like a powerful magnet that attracts even more blessings into your life. It works silently and invisibly, drawing in positive experiences and opportunities that you might not have even imagined. When you cultivate a genuine sense of gratitude for what you already have, you shift your energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. This shift in energy is crucial because it changes your perspective and opens your mind to new possibilities. Start by acknowledging the good in your life, no matter how small. It could be as simple as appreciating a sunny day, a kind word from a friend, or a delicious meal. Be thankful for your health, your loved ones, your talents, and even the challenges that help you grow. These elements shape who you are and contribute to your journey. The more you focus on gratitude, the more reasons you'll find to be grateful, creating a positive feedback loop that amplifies your manifestation power. This practice not only enriches your life, but also inspires those around you to adopt a similar mindset. Real life manifestation success stories. Countless individuals have used the power of manifestation to transform their lives, achieving remarkable success in various areas. From entrepreneurs manifesting their dream businesses to individuals attracting their soulmates, these real-life stories serve as powerful reminders that anything is possible when you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires. One inspiring example is Oprah Winfrey, who manifested her dream of becoming a successful talk show host from a young age. Through visualization, positive affirmations, and unwavering belief in herself, she overcame numerous obstacles to create a media empire that has inspired millions worldwide. Your manifestation journey begins now. Congratulations on taking this empowering step towards creating the life you deserve. This is the beginning of a transformative journey where you will learn to harness the power of your thoughts and intentions to shape your reality. Remember, manifestation is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about continuously evolving, growing, and aligning yourself with your highest potential. Every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. Embrace each moment with mindfulness and gratitude, knowing that every effort you make is a step towards your ultimate goals. As you cultivate a positive mindset, set clear intentions, visualize your desires, and practice gratitude, you'll begin to witness incredible transformations in your life. Your thoughts are powerful tools that can shape your reality, so use them wisely. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the science of manifestation and unlock your full potential, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our free Immunological Coefficiency diploma course. This course will provide you with the scientific insights and practical tools you need to master the art of manifestation. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of manifestation. Together, we can achieve greatness and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Leave a comment below and share your biggest takeaway from today's video. Your insights and experiences can inspire and motivate others on their own manifestation journeys. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content on transforming your life. Stay tuned for more tips, techniques, and inspiration to help you manifest your dreams and live your best life.